Hello. Welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to continue with our Loveworld series of worship and praise songs. And as usual, I'm going to be playing in the key of C sharp or D flat, Alright, okay. There is no name in the heavens. There is no name in the earth. There is no name in the it's a very simple song. There is no name in the heavens, there is no name in the universe like Jesus. Then the second verse is sing there is no one, but with the same progression, and then ends on a one. None compares to you. Alright, so let me show you how I play the intro. I'm playing in the key of C sharp. Alright, so this is a chord 2. So to a 5. Chord 1, 6. Back to the 2, 5, then to 6 again. Now this 6, we are playing a major chord. This minor, this major. So there is no name. Chord 2 in the heavens. Chord 5. There is no name. Chord 1 in the earth. Now I'm playing the 6 as major. So there is no name in the universe like Jesus. Now what I just played is okay. So I'm playing this chord, alright, like this for a 7, and then I'm playing a flat 2 with the 6, passing chord into the 2. Alright, so 6, 7, flat 2 to a chord 3. So the in the heavens there is no name, in the earth there is no name, in the universe like Jesus. No one in the heavens, there is no one in the earth, there is no one in the universe compared to you. Then the last part, your name is holy, your name is righteous, your name is gracious, your name is holy. 6, 4, 2, 1 to 6. Sorry, 5. Your name is holy. Your name is righteous. Your name is Jesus. There is no Alright, thank you for watching, and God bless you for subscribing. Keep on sharing and leave a comment. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.